Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the strategic advantage of early video adoption. The evolving digital landscape. Introduction. As business increasingly rely on digital data, then the need of security compliant and efficient data storage and sharing solutions become paramount. The digital challenges. Volume of data. Modern business generate vast amount of data daily, necessitating efficient storage solution. Collaboration needs. Globalized operations require seamless data sharing across borders and organization. Regulatory landscape. With data breaches coming common, regulatory bodies worldwide are tightening data protection standards. Benefits of early videos adoption. Being ahead of curve, companies that adopt videos early are better prepared to handle the challenges of digital age. They gain several advantages. Competitive edge. Early adopters can leverage videos to make faster decisions, collaborate efficiently, and close deals quicker than competitors. Reverse security. Instead of reacting to security threats, these companies are proactively safeguarding their data. Regulatory preparedness. With videos, business can ensure they are always compliant, avoiding costly finer and reputation damage. Scalability. As the company grows, so does the volume of its data. Early videos adoption means systems are in place to handle this growth seamlessly. The bigger picture and conclusion. The future of digital business world is moving irres- irreversibly towards a digital first model. The tool and strategic companies adopt today will define their success tomorrow. Strategic foresight. Early videos adoption isn't just about handling data, it's a reflection of a company's strategic foresight, understanding of the digital landscape, and commitment to efficiency, security, and growth. Conclusion. In the digital age, being proactive offers a clear competitive advantages. Early video adoption is a strategic move that positions companies favorably for future challenges and opportunities. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.